In this video, I'll show you how to log out of your Signal account on Android. I just want to say at the start of this video that there is no way to log out of your Signal account. Signal has removed the ability to log out of your Signal account. Let me show you what I mean, but you've probably tried this already. First, open up your Signal app. My Signal application is on my home screen. I'm just going to tap on it to open it. Once you've got your Signal app open, tap on the three vertical dots at the top right hand corner, then tap on Settings. In your Signal settings, tap on Account. In your account settings, you would expect an option to log out. However, you only have the ability to delete your account. So how exactly do you log out of your Signal account? Well, the easiest way is to simply uninstall Signal. So I'm going to swipe up from the very bottom, and then I'm going to tap on my Signal application and hold. Once done, I'll be greeted with a number of options. The option that I'm looking for is App Info. I'm going to tap on App Info. In here, you'll be able to uninstall Signal. Now, I will say before you uninstall Signal, make sure to make a backup of your messages, your photos, and your videos that you want to keep, of course. I don't want to keep anything as this is a video demonstration, so I'm going to tap on uninstall and then uninstall again. Signal will then be uninstalled from your device. Now, if you want to log into Signal again using the same phone number or another phone number, you'll need to install the application once again. So to do this, you'll need to open up the Google Play Store. My Google Play Store app is on my home screen also, so I'm just going to tap on that to open it. Once done, at the bottom, tap on Apps and then tap on Search. In the search box at the top, tap on it and then type Signal. Once you've typed Signal, tap on the magnifying glass to search. Look for the application by the Signal Foundation called Signal Private Messenger. You can see currently it's got 100 plus million downloads and around 2 million plus reviews at the time of recording this video. Tap on it to get more details and then tap on Install. Let the Signal app reinstall on your device. It should be done rather quickly as it's a relatively small file. Once the Signal app has been installed, tap on Open. If you've made a backup of your Signal account, you can simply tap on Restore or Transfer. If you want to continue with a different number or you haven't made a backup, simply tap on Continue. Choose to allow all permissions or Not Now. I'm going to tap on Not Now. And then to log into your Signal account, you'll need to enter in your phone number. You can enter a new phone number to start a new Signal account, or you can use the same phone number. And that pretty much concludes this video on how to log out of your Signal account on Android. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a like, comment down below, and most importantly of all, subscribe to support the channel. I'll see you on the next video.
Why is it so hard to let you